The good life, full of fun, seems to be the ideal. Yes, the good life lets you hide all the sadness you feel. You won't really fall in love, 'cause you can't take the chance. So be honest with yourself.
Good morning, good morning. Muskoka morning, Thursday. And this week I lost internet. Can you imagine that? We had a massive storm. I can't remember. Sunday night, Monday night, I don't even remember what it was. But massive storm and lost internet. I felt like lightning came and struck my property somewhere. I know a couple years back, you see this white birch tree? You see the top? It was a lot taller, and lightning struck that. It sent shards of wood all over my property, all over the grass, over here, all over my swimming pool. But yeah, it sent electricity spikes or electrical surges through the property when the lightning came down a few days ago, and shut my internet off. So I finally was able to get a technician in yesterday. Must have been Monday night, I think. Monday night. Yeah, because I was able to do the class Monday morning. Technician came, checked everything, replaced everything, new wires, new receiver, new modem, new everything. And we're back up and running. So now, watching the markets. Thought I'd spend some time out here watching the markets. Looks like the NASDAQ has contacted that weekly demand zone. I made a post yesterday on the Telegram channel. I said, you guys worried about this drop taking place? The reason why I posted that is because I want people to put their emotions in check. Because usually when people see drops like this, they freak out. And as a trader, you got to be able to, take a chill pill and relax and trust the zones. These zones are not just, regular drawings on a chart. This represents big institutional buying. This is why we're mapping them out. Okay? And they're not just going to be traded through like they don't exist. As you can see, price came down, now reacting to the upside. See the big push to the upside? All right? So these zones are important to recognize. I mean, yes, there was a push to the downside, but, nothing to be overly concerned about. These are when opportunities come our way. Let's look at the S&P 500. Okay? Same thing happening. Look at the weekly time frame. Okay? See how it's coming down. We got that area of demand that was previously tested. This is holding price up. There's no reason to be concerned about what's happening here. Now, in the daily time frame, we had daily demand get taken out, but soon that daily demand will be, there'll be some supply, potentially, may not be, but we got that area being taken out now, but that could be easily replaced with some new buying, all right? Like I've been mentioning to you guys, medium-term time frame, we have buying, okay? And it's being supported by buying. Short-term may not have any strong buying as of yet, but we just wait patiently and wait for new buying to come in. All right, so these markets are still looking very, very strong. In fact, this dip was perfect for opening up new positions. All right, that's why we've been focusing on the stock market recently, because there's been a lot of opportunities. Now, copper, we got into a long signal, and this one's playing out perfectly. This was the trade that I shared with members. Okay, our original entry was based off of a weekly demand. Beautiful. Then we got a second entry based on the daily. Gave my entries, stop losses, targets, and all that to members, and I'm showing them how I am managing this trade. Okay, So we got a bunch of other ones. Euro US dollar, got a long trade on the Euro US dollar, which I'll share a screenshot of that with you. That one was based on, let me show you right now. That one's based on the accumulation down here, okay? Why would they accumulate? Well, I mentioned that when you look at the CFTC data, you can see that there is a massive amount of short positions that need to be closed off. So this is the trade idea, getting in long there and waiting for a push to the upside. We had FOMC coming out yesterday, and the result of that, massive spike, completely predictable. Shares fell after disappointing revenue guidance, erasing about 372 billion, triggering a big drop in tech stocks. Traders watch. I'm just curious what they said. What were they reporting? Because that just played out to perfection, okay? We got in here. We used the target locating system, measuring from demand to the highs. Then we took the latest demand zone to the highs. That gave us this area here. Now that is not coincidence. I don't care what anybody says, that is not coincidence, okay? So they entered in long here, and then here, and exited here, and we tracked it the whole time, the whole move. And now they're just profit taking on those long positions. Yeah, they can say whatever, the reason why price is dropping, but they're just profit taking on those long positions. Thing of beauty. Thing of beauty. All right, guys. So that is what's going on. I'm gonna finish my salmon, hard-boiled eggs, cucumber for breakfast. Finish my coffee, and then I'm just going to sit back and chill and enjoy life for a little bit. I'll talk to you guys later.
You're so unoriginal for leaving me on red. No, you peaked in high school, but it still gets to your head. I can only take you as far as my bed. Well, at least we got that.